Hello again everyone, today I'm gonna show you a really cool full sketch. I don't know what I call it, so here's the full sketch. So look to the deck. Here's the full sketch. So the whole deck still in the same order. So do it again. Look, still in the same order. So this is how it's done. So you take a small section from the top, lock it in between your thumb and your ring finger. Look, I didn't choose any other fingers. So take a small section but not put in your hand, and take this section and put it on the bottom and hold it with the ring finger and your thumb. Don't know what you're gonna do is take the middle, then the top, this on top, and look, still in the same order. So do it again. Take small section, put in the bottom, take the middle, top, put this on top, and the deck still in the same order. That's it. Learn it.